The student council sells stickers to raise money. The fan club company states that the probability of making a profit of $3,000, I shouldn't say profit, the probability that the fan club, let me start again. The student council sells stickers to raise money. It's a fundraiser. The fan club company that sells the stickers to the student council states the probability of making $3,000 is 0.8, 8/10 or 4/5 probability. The probability of losing $1,000 is 0.2. It makes sense that 0.8 and 0.2 would add up to 1 because you're either there's two possible outcomes. You're either going to make $3,000 or you're going to lose $1,000. And you might think, well, why would you make or lose money? Making $3,000, that may be like the average of all the student councils that have ever bought stickers, their average amount of money that they earned. Losing $1,000 might be the average loss of all the schools that have tried this, and maybe you lose $1,000 in some scenarios where you pay for the stickers. They're not popular, so very few people buy them, and then you don't sell enough to make money. And maybe you make $3,000 because usually the stickers are popular and lots of students buy them, and so you, on average, make $3,000. The fan club company that sells you the stickers claims that on average schools make over $2,000, and we want to see whether this claim is accurate. You find that out, you figure that out by doing an expected value calculation. There's a 0.8, 8/10 probability of making $3,000. So 8/10 multiplied by positive 3,000. And there's a 2/10 probability of losing $1,000, so negative 1,000. This is the weighted average. This is the expected value. If it ends up being greater than $2,000, then their statement is true. If it's less than $2,000, their statement is untrue. It's actually easier to think of this. This is just 24,000, but tenths, so $2,400. There's lots of ways to do this computation in your head. If you think of it like this, we could factor out the 10/10, and then 8 times 300 is 2,400. So positive $2,400, and this is easy, right? 0.2 times 1,000, you move the decimal 3 to the right. So, and a positive multiplied by a negative, of course, is a negative. So negative $200 for this product, and $2,400 plus negative $200 is positive $2,200. So the fan club company making the statement that on average schools make over $2,000, this is true because the expected value we calculated for this proposition of buying stickers and selling them to try to raise funds, the expected value is positive $2,200. Now, some schools will be very disappointed. Some schools will lose money. Some schools will make a lot of money. On average, you can expect to make $2,200. There's no guarantees.